Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying power and removing obstacles. Make sure the watch has at least 10% battery or connect the original charger. Dirty screens and cases block capacitive touch. Once done, wipe the glass with a microfiber cloth and remove any screen protector. Next, perform a soft restart or a forced reboot using the model-specific button combo. This clears temporary firmware glitches that often break touch response. If touch returns, test gestures and taps before moving on. Once the basic restart didn't fix it, focus on software and sensors. Update the watch firmware from the companion app over reliable Wi-Fi. Updates often patch touchscreen drivers. Then unpair the device, reboot your phone, and pair again to rebuild the communication stack and reset settings. Inspect edges and sensors for moisture or cracks. If you suspect water ingress, dry the device with silica packets or a controlled low heat method for 24 to 48 hours, so capacitive layers can recover. If prior steps fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove corrupt settings that block touch input. After the reset, restore the backup, then methodically test the full screen with taps, swipes, and scrolls so you confirm coverage. Make sure to try safe mode or diagnostics if your watch supports them. If the touch remains unresponsive after these steps, your best move is to contact warranty support or an authorized repair center. Hardware repair is often the final solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.